All right, so first things first, we got to get this thing pulled out so I can work on it. Funny thing is, I was out here yesterday, came this morning, the RAM was completely dead. I guess I left the dome lighter something on. Now the Infinity here, G35, we're gonna talk about that later. Of course, nothing is going on with the blue one. Actually talked to the owner, I think they're gonna leave it until around August, which is perfectly fine. I think she thinks that she's stressing me out by having it here, but it's perfectly fine just sitting here. So we're gonna worry about this car today. Let's get it out and let's get it checked out and see exactly if we can't get those sweet, sweet sounds. Okay, let me explain what you guys are gonna experience on this ride. Now, this car runs piss poor. Not that there's anything wrong with the car, but you gotta think we're putting boost into the car. Now, the problem lies here. First of all, we got the Y8 manifold with the direct injection air injection, right? So we're getting through those little holes above the injectors, which are not stopped up yet. We have an air leak, which on a normal motor, it would make it run lean, but it's gonna make the idle damn near impossible. But we have the Y8 injectors, which is pumping 230 cc's into a motor it's supposed to have 190 cc's. Then we have this little bastard up here, which is boosting up the actual pressure going into the engine. Like I said, probably tomorrow I'm gonna come over here and fix everything. I just wanted to let you guys know what we're about to experience in this shitty ride that we're about to take. Now the turbo is working, it's not overheating, nothing's going on in that manner, but it's better to run a car rich than lean. So if it was running lean, I definitely wouldn't even, you know, drive it or get it into boost. But you'll be able to see that the idle is shit. Once it gets into boost, it levels out because it's using that extra fuel. But I'll show you right now. It's just, it's a horrible ride. I feel like a John in this car. I'm 6'2". This car is not small, but I feel huge in it.
That's what she said.
Starts up fine, idles fine, it revs fine. But the problem is when you go to get it under load, now I can put it in drive right now, or put it in first gear, let out on the clutch a little bit, and hit the gas with the e-brake on, and I'll show you. You see? And it kind of just dies off. Oh yeah. More power, baby. Let's do it. Now you're gonna be able to see this thing will not idle for shit once it gets warmed up, but maybe we can get into a little bit of boost and you guys can hear the blow-off valve. Now I did set the blow-off valve to the hardest setting, which when you do that, it makes the loudest sound. But because we're trying not to get in boost that much, it might not be super loud.